Every morning, the mother would start her day with a cup of tea. But not just any cup. One morning, while rushing to work, he accidentally knocked the cup off the table. It shattered.
Did the cup break?
Yes, it's just a cup. I'll buy a new one.
She didn't get angry. She just stayed quiet. That night, the house felt different. He sat beside her and asked,
Are you still upset about the cup?
No, my son. But it wasn't just glass. It held memories, morning talks, pieces of love. Sometimes the things we break without care are someone else's whole world.
Be gentle. What's small to you could mean everything to someone else.